how about we make a little thing called cappuccino. We're gonna need 2 espresso cups. Espresso of your choice. Normally I like to use Lavazza, but I only have Lavazza in the caffeinated version, so this is the only decaf I have. It's still good though. Anyway, you're gonna grab this thing. I'm not sure what it's called. I don't really know much terminology about cappuccino making, but I know that it's where the coffee goes. So you grab a scoop. You make sure you have to flatten it. If you don't flatten it, the espresso will not be as good. Now, what you want to do, you take the machine. See, I already turned it on. You put this in here. You put these 2 cups, one under each little spout thing. And then press double shot. And it's going. So now, while that's going, I have an attached little steamer thing, but it doesn't work as well. So we got this like little frother off Amazon, and we use 2% milk. Hood is the best one at the market that you can get for this. You pour it until it's about at that line. I spilled it all over the counter. Oh, that's already done. See, there's 2 shots. Okay, now put this over here and you press on. See, now it's going. Alright, so you grab a cup now. I like to use this cup because it's big. I don't really care what the cup is though. And then once this is done, you pour them both. Alright. See that? That's foam. Now, what you do is you let that sit for about 20 seconds, because right now the milk and the foam are like one thing, but if you let it sit, the foam tends to go like rise a little bit and the milk settles so that you can get more milk out of it, because if you want a lot of milk. But yeah, it's better to do that. And then you pour the two espressos into the cup. So what you do is you grab a spoon, you cover the foam, let the milk pour, and then you just kind of there. That is a cappuccino. Now, obviously, if you wanted to add sweetener, you should have done that before you added the foam, because now the foam's here. You could still add it, but it would probably get stuck in the foam. That's all gross. But I don't use sweetener, so very good.